Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make pizza cheese strips. So let's start the video. First take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of yeast. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar and some water. Now mix it well till there are no lumps left. Now add 2 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of sugar and milk powder. Now mix well and make a dough. Keep adding water gradually, as shown. Add a little bit of oil to make it a little non-sticky. And so now that it's ready, cover it for 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, you can see how fluffy the dough is. Add some flour to get it back to its normal state. Now spread some flour and keep the dough over it. Now with the help of your hand, flatten it up. Now use rolling pin to flat up. The sides must be thick like this. Now take a pan and add oil and spread it all over. Now place the dough over like this. Now take coriander and garlic butter. It's okay if you don't have garlic butter, you can just use normal butter with smashed garlic in it. Now mix it well and spread it over the dough. Next, poke some holes with the help of fork over it like this and add mozzarella cheese. For garnishing, you can use red chili flakes and dry mint. Now that you see you're done, just bake it at 120 for 15 minutes. You can see how it's being cooked. Now that it's ready, take it out and cut it into strips as shown in the video. Our yummy recipe is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.